What if the reason you still feel stuck is not because you're incapable, but because you've been trying to change the wrong way? Most people think getting unstuck means finding motivation, starting over, waiting for inspiration, or making one big decision. But real transformation usually happens differently. It happens through awareness, structure, alignment, and consistent intentional action. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a practical step-by-step process to help you stop repeating the same cycles and begin moving forward intentionally. Not temporarily, not emotionally, but sustainably. Welcome to Metanoia Life. This channel is dedicated to structured transformation, helping people move from reactive living to intentional wholeness. We talk about self-awareness, emotional intelligence, alignment, discipline, spiritual growth, and breaking destructive patterns. So if you are serious about growth and long-term transformation, subscribe and join the journey. Let's get into this. Step 1. Stop running on autopilot. Awareness. The first reason many people stay stuck is because they are living unconsciously. Yes, you heard me right. I will repeat myself. The first reason why people stay stuck is because they are living unconsciously. Same thoughts, same habits, same reactions, different day. Now I want to go deeper in this one. You cannot change what you refuse to see clearly. So before trying to fix your life, you first need awareness. I have some questions for you. Ask yourself, what keeps repeating in my life? Where do I feel frustrated most often? What patterns am I tolerating? What am I avoiding? Sometimes the issue is not lack of opportunity. Sometimes the issue is repeated unconscious behavior. Awareness is where transformation begins. Step 2. Identify the pattern. Most people focus on the symptom, but transformation happens when you identify the pattern underneath the symptom. For example, maybe you procrastinate constantly, sabotage relationships, quit too quickly, fear commitment, overthink every decision, or avoid difficult conversations. These are not random moments. They are patterns. Patterns are repeated emotional and behavioral loops. And until they are interrupted intentionally, they continue automatically. What repeats unconsciously eventually shapes your life consciously. I'm going to say it again. What repeats unconsciously eventually shapes your life consciously. Step 3. Understand the root. Every repeated behavior has something underneath it. Whether it's a belief, a fear, an identity, a wound, or a narrative. For example, a person who constantly avoids opportunity may not actually be lazy. They may fear failure or fear rejection. Let me give you another example. Someone who people pleases constantly may fear disappointing others because their worth feels tied to approval. If you only find behavior without understanding the root, the cycle usually returns. You don't just need behavior change, you need deeper understanding. Step 4. Interrupt the cycle. Awareness alone is not enough. You must intentionally interrupt the cycle. Most people wait until they feel ready, but transformation often begins before comfort does. For example, interruption may look like setting a boundary, changing your routine, stopping negative self-talk, choosing discipline over emotion, pausing before reacting, or finally addressing what you've been avoiding. Every time you interrupt an unhealthy pattern, you weaken its control over your life. Step 5. Create alignment. Getting unstuck is not just about stopping bad habits. It's about creating alignment. Now, let's teach on this one. Let's talk about this one. Alignment means your thoughts, your behavior, your values, and direction begin working together instead of against each other. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I actually want? What behaviors align with that life? What habits contradict it? Your future changes when your daily decisions begin aligning with your desired direction. Step 6. Build structure. Here's where most people fail. They rely on motivation instead of structure. Let's get into this one. Motivation is emotional. Structure is sustainable. For example, structure may include routines, accountability, journaling, coaching, therapy, habit tracking, intentional environments, or consistent reflection. What you reinforce consistently eventually becomes your normal. I'm going to say it again. What you reinforce consistently eventually becomes your normal. If you feel stuck right now, understand this clearly. You are not powerless, but you do need to stop waiting for change to happen automatically. Transformation becomes possible when awareness increases, patterns are confronted, alignment becomes intentional, and structure becomes consistent. Your life begins changing the moment you stop living unconsciously. I'm going to say it again. Your life begins changing the moment you stop living unconsciously. Small intentional shifts, repeated consistently, can completely transform your direction over time. If this video helped you, subscribe to Metanoia Life and join the journey toward intentional wholeness. Share this video with someone who feels stuck right now. And remember, stay with the process. The Lord bless you. The Lord keep you. I will see you in the next one.